Hello everyone. Today we are going to unbox Xiaomi Smart Band 4. This is the black color variant I bought from Amazon India. It weighs around 22.1 gram. It has an AMOLED display and a screen size of 0.95 inch. It has a 2.5D tempered glass with anti-fingerprint coating and a single touch button. It has a RAM of 512 KB and a ROM of 16 MB. It has 3-axis accelerometer and plus 3-axis gyroscope, a heart rate sensor, and a proximity sensor. On normal usage, it can remain in battery till around 20 days. The body material is polycarbonate. The charging time takes for around 2 hours. It also has a 135 mAh battery. It comes with several modes and features, which include timer, stopwatch, phone alarm notification, incoming call, message notification, calendar, night mode, D&D mode. So this is the Mi Fit app where you can track your sleep, heart rate, weight, etc. You have to connect it to your smart band. Here you can also change band display settings and various other settings. You can customize your band face. So there are several watch faces here. I bought it for 2300 rupees. This is the charger. You can also lock your Mi Band with password. This is the water test. As you can see, nothing happens. It is 5 ATM water resistant, so you can also wear it for swimming. It shows weather as well. Thank you.